The one white that I told y'all was acting retarded. Well, she's still out. She's on top of on the other side of the cage. I don't know if that's a cock or a hen because I tried to mate her. I tried to mate it before, and it turned out to me to act like it's a cock. So there he is right there. So let me see if we pick the right trap door to go in. Maybe I should just open both traps up, trap on both sides. You gotta figure out which one you can choose, which one you want to go in. But I don't know, he's acting real weird. I tried to mate him with that one right there, and he actually beat him up. He actually beat that like a strawberry up. So I put him over there with the cocks because he act like a cock. And I always thought he was a hen because I always kept him on this side over here with the hens. So subscribe and like my videos. So I'm just, what I'm saying, exploring with these videos. I like present these videos for educational purposes and for the people to give acknowledgement of the world of um, and world and life of the pigeons. Because pigeons been around for thousands of years, and the men have always counted on them for something. She's looking at the hen side. I guess she'll go in there over there. She can pick it up. No, there she goes. She gonna go. Okay, that's where I'm thinking is a boy, a cock. So that's the side he's supposed to go on. So go in, go in, go in, go in, go in, go in, go in. Trying to figure out what side. You know that's the last side that he was on. Tell y'all, he looks like a cock to me. Go in. And there you go to the girl side. Let's see what side he's gonna pick to go in. We're gonna be a very confused bird today. Go in. Go in. Go in. Go in. Oh, she chose to go. Look, now she's up in there croaking. Look, like a boy. Look. Look. Tell me that ain't no boy. Tell me that ain't no cock. A girl would not went in there and start croaking and stuff like that. Look, that's a cock. Look, dominant. Look, he's a cock. Look at this pretty thing right here. How pretty. She got some kind of checks in her and stuff and got gold in her. She's a black. He's still croaking. He's still, what I'm saying, taking over, dominating up there. So I'm gonna throw him back on the cock side because that is a cock. You know. Now look, okay. The black one charged and they fight, but he got down. Pretty is. KSO Exotic Rollers. That's how we doing it. Like and subscribe. That's a boy right there, y'all. Look. It's a boy right there. Look. No way you can't say that ain't no boy. Yeah. He's gonna be a good one too. Yeah. Get ready. Get him out. Put him over here where he belongs. Her tail is so pretty, man. You see the stripes? Got the pinstripe tail. Oh, wow.